In a quiet mountain village, there lived an old man, known for his wisdom. People from far and wide came to him for advice. One evening, as the sun painted the sky with shades of gold and orange, the wise man sat with his grandson beside a campfire. The flames danced gently, crackling in the cool air. The boy looked troubled. "Grandfather," he said softly, "I feel angry all the time. My friend lied to me, and I can't stop thinking about it. Sometimes I want to hurt him back, but then I feel guilty." The old man nodded slowly, watching the fire. "My grandson," he said, "I too have felt great anger. Let me tell you a story that every person must understand. Inside every person, there is a battle going on, a terrible fight between two wolves." The boy's eyes widened. Two wolves. Inside me, the boy starts thinking and imagining two wolves inside him. "Yes," said the grandfather. "One wolf is evil. It is anger, envy, greed, arrogance, resentment, and lies. The other wolf is good. It is love, peace, hope, humility, kindness, and truth." After a moment, he asked, "Which wolf wins, grandfather?" The old man smiled gently, his eyes reflecting the firelight. "The one you feed, my child, the one you feed." The boy frowned. "But how do I feed them?" Grandfather said, "You feed the evil wolf when you let anger and jealousy guide your actions. You feed the good wolf when you forgive, when you show kindness, when you speak the truth even when it's hard. Every day, you make choices. Each thought, each word, each action, it feeds one of the wolves. If you are not careful, the evil wolf grows stronger, and it will destroy your peace. But if you choose love and patience, the good wolf becomes powerful, and it will lead you to happiness." The boy imagines two wolves fighting inside him. He took a deep breath and whispered, "I will feed the good wolf, grandfather." The old man smiled and hugged his grandson. "That is a wise choice, my son. Remember, the battle never ends, but with every kind act, you tip the balance toward light." The flames flickered one last time before dying into glowing embers. The boy sat quietly, feeling a calm he had never known before. Moral: the battle between good and evil lies within all of us. The wolf that wins is the one we choose to feed every day, through our thoughts, actions, and words.